Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There's a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses central and east central Texas, parts of Louisiana, central Mississippi, and southwestern Alabama. Cities in today's slate include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Jackson, Mississippi, Waco, Texas, and Killeen, Texas. And there are two marginals for today. One covering parts of Texas, the very far extreme southeastern corner of Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, northern and southern Louisiana, southeastern and central Mississippi, parts of Alabama, parts of Florida, the Florida Panhandle, southern half of Georgia, and south central South Carolina. The second marginal today covers north central South Carolina, most of North Carolina, northeastern Tennessee, east central Kentucky, all of Virginia, all of West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, southwestern Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., and parts of Maryland. Cities in today's marginals include Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Baltimore, Maryland, and Charlotte, North Carolina. Going to today's tornado threat, there are two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of Texas, central Louisiana, and parts of Mississippi. The second 2% tornado risk area today encompasses north central North Carolina, far northeastern Tennessee, a tiny bit of far east central Kentucky, most of Virginia, most of West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, the Maryland Panhandle, and southwestern Pennsylvania. The 2% tornado risk areas today include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Washington, D.C., Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Greensboro, North Carolina. Alright? Going to today's wind threat, there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damage, I'm going to go with the 15% first. There is a 15% chance of damage in wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering far east central Texas, central Louisiana, central Mississippi, and southwestern Alabama. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Jackson, Mississippi, Hattiesburg, Mississippi, Alexandria, Louisiana, Meridian, Mississippi, and Vicksburg, Mississippi. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damage in wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, one covering parts of Texas, southern Arkansas, northern and southern Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, parts of northern Florida, the Florida Panhandle, the southern half of Georgia, and south central South Carolina. And another 5% wind risk today covers north central South Carolina, most of North Carolina, northeastern Tennessee, east central Kentucky, southeastern Ohio, all West Virginia, all of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, and southwestern Pennsylvania. The 5% wind risk areas today include Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Baltimore, Maryland, and Charlotte, North Carolina. And now for the hail threat for today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of Texas and west central Louisiana. The 15% hail risk area today includes San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Waco, Texas, Killeen, Texas, and Round Rock, Texas. Alright, and there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, one covering parts of Texas, extreme southeastern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, parts of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, parts of the Florida Panhandle, and southwestern Georgia. And the other 5% hail risk today covers a tiny bit of north central South Carolina, parts of North Carolina, northeastern Tennessee, east central Kentucky, most of Virginia, pretty much all West Virginia, southeastern Ohio, far southwestern Pennsylvania, the Maryland Panhandle, Washington, D.C., and central Maryland. Well, west central, I should say. The 5% hail risk areas today include Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Washington, D.C. yeah, Washington, D.C. as well. This thing just updated on me when I was doing the hail risk. So now, there is a black dashed area right over here. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area, areas outside the black dashed area, but still in the hail risk, are mainly inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Alright, but again, the highest potential for the 2-inch hail is within the black dashed area. Alright, the cities in the black dashed area today include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Waco, Texas, Killeen, Texas, and Round Rock, Texas. So, yeah. In summary, strong to severe thunderstorms should impact the corridor from parts of Texas to the Gulf Coast states today. Scattered damaging winds and large hail are the main threats, with isolated very large hail possible across portions of Texas. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, even though they're only a slight and a marginal, alright? Because sometimes, slight and marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck those can pull off sometimes. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, yeah. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook video this afternoon. Take care.